The people who are helping others, they have to have their cup filled in order to fill other cups. People like Sarah are those people.
She's got a 100-acre horse farm with 36 horses on it.
Sarah offers therapeutic riding at her ranch. This is a type of therapy that helps folks with anxiety and depression.
Having a property this big, there's always maintenance that takes time and takes a lot of money. It was tough on my own, but to not keep this place my kids loved, it was heartbreaking. I'm not giving up on this place. I couldn't imagine doing anything else.
I can't wait to surprise Sarah. She has no idea we're coming. Hello,
Sarah?
Sarah?
Oh my gosh, I was just watching you on TV this morning. And here at my house.
We have a farm too,
We do.
where we live. We live in Arkansas, and we know how much work it is.
All of this property, all of these horses, all of these
lot of
chickens.
work.
Oh my gosh, it's got to be a ton of work.
Every day, my goal is to pay the bills, still raise my kids, and support the horses, support the trainers that are here, and to just keep going.
You do everything you do for your kids, but you're also still helping your community.
That's why we're here. That is why we're here, right there.
Yes. Clients are going to be passing right by your house.
Yes.
So we want this house to feel like a part of your business, because it is. All right, so here's what I think would look nice. I think we need to close this opening under the front porch and add some landscape, okay? And then we'll repaint and we'll bring in some character with shutters and maybe a Dutch door. This is a nice big open space.
Yes.
There's tons of potential in here, but it's missing the character and the rustic elements that are quintessential to a ranch.
Do you use the fireplace?
Yes.
That same 90s feel, that honey-colored oak.
When you walk in, this needs to be a really cool focal point.
I agree.
There's another layer to this type of therapy where you need to sit and you need to connect and talk. It's not just happening in the barn. And Sarah hopes to do that here in her house,
Yep.
but at the moment, it's not super functional. Okay, so let's talk kitchen.
This island?
It's a country, not an island.
Yeah.
It is.
The kitchen island is huge, and it's in the way. It doesn't function. There's almost too many cabinets.
Ooh,
No one
I
ever
love that.
complains
No,
about
it.
I love that. You're speaking my language.
It's too much.
All right, let's replace the flooring with a lighter hardwood, so then that'll help the room feel airy and bright. And then we'll update this fireplace so that your new living room will feel comfortable and cozy for when you have clients over. To show off these gorgeous views, I want a run of windows over your sink. Let's get rid of this island and bring in something more functional, and maybe a smoky midnight blue for your cabinet color, which will look so good with the brick flooring I have in mind. Brick is a great option here because it's long-lasting, it's low maintenance, and I think it'll add this distinct element to your kitchen that feels ranchy. You need to get packing, so we're gonna let you go.
When people come and they can see how beautiful this house is to match the rest of the ranch, then I think it'll just be a better experience for everyone.
Time to say goodbye to the 90s and bring in the ranch style this house calls for. So we have teamed up with Brad, our head carpenter, get this thing cleared out so we can start putting stuff back in. We've got several people working inside today. Got the guys replacing the kitchen windows. I'm so excited to see that. Look at the view we opened up. It's quintessential Colorado horse ranch. Anything that we do to better her house betters all the work that she's doing in this community. No front porch is complete without a great swing. It needs to incorporate horses into it.
Absolutely. We need an equine type of effect, definitely.
We're gonna build a pine frame, but I wanna wrap this porch swing in cedar wood. It's lightweight, has oils in it that make it resistant to rot, making it perfect for outdoors. We gotta field test it first. Oh, yeah.
You know, I love to draw inspiration from my surroundings when designing a space. So for Sarah, it's going to be so important to include parts of the horse ranch because that is a huge part of her story.
And then,
A lucky horseshoe.
is it right side up?
No, gotta keep it from spilling out. Keep it upright.
I'm going to inlay this horseshoe for Sarah and whomever she may have out at the ranch. Oh yeah, that little collar.
That's definitely gonna work.
Now that we've combined the light gray roof, the white exterior, the light blue shutters, and the Dutch door, Sarah's house is turning into a classic ranch home. The brick flooring looks so incredible in the kitchen, and I decided to continue it onto the range hood. This adds instant warmth and charm, especially against those butcher block countertops. And John's here to help us install the faux wood beams and the new stair railing.
So we had some Douglas fir milled up. Adding these beams and the warmth of the wood, this is gonna give a lot of beauty to this space.
You know, this house, we went with an overall design theme of a sophisticated ranch. So we really wanted to draw from the beautiful blue skies and all of the natural elements, like the woods and the bricks and the copper, all of those things that are just found in nature, and bring that into her home. Look at them playing, look. They're so
frolicking.
Cute. This is amazing.
Isn't this cool?
Yeah, I think a little bit. Oh, right there, that's good.
Good?
I love it. I love it. It's perfect. Is that her?
Oh my gosh. How cool. It's amazing. It doesn't even look like the same house.
You know, before your house didn't feel like it belonged on a ranch. It didn't have a lot of character. So we really just added some touches to give it that character and to make it feel like it belongs on this beautiful property. We started with a new roof. You have new shutters.
And the copper's my favorite.
Oh, good. Dutch front door, which is adorable. Feels perfect for a ranch.
It looks like the American dream home. It should be in a magazine.
Yeah, we've been busy out here. New paint, new columns, new flag, new porch swing.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I have a famous Dave Marks porch swing.
But it's unique to Sarah Boone.
Yes.
Looks like a used horseshoe from the ranch.
Yeah.
Yes.
I've never done that before. We wanted something a little bit different for you.
I just feel like at peace.
Yes,
This is
I love
the
it.
finishing touch to the feeling I want to have out here.
Should we go in?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh. It's phenomenal. I get to live here?
Yes, this is your house. Welcome home.
This is not the same house. I am blown away. It's so bright in here.
It is. There's so much natural light in here now. We whitewashed the fireplace, nice white oak mantle, so it stays the center point of this room.
Oh, the floors are gorgeous.
It's all white oak. It will last forever, super durable. We needed something that would stand the test of time.
It is just gorgeous.
I'm sure you noticed the baluster and the new handrail here.
And no popcorn ceiling.
No popcorn ceiling.
The 90s is gone.
You can have, your family here, your clients in here.
Yeah.
We just really wanted this whole space to just be really warm and welcoming.
Yeah, you can fit all these people right here, but yet we still have more space. This is beyond what anyone could imagine.
We're not
Yeah.
done yet.
Come on.
Okay.
And now you have a big dining space, plenty of space to have everyone around the table. We added a little feature wall here with some paneling just to give it some architectural detail. And then we have your pictures displayed above.
It makes it real. It is my house.
Yes, it is. This is your house.
Oh my God.
Check out your kitchen.
Oh my gosh, there's so much more space. There's windows.
Yes, the windows.
I can look out and see the pasture. I can stand here and look at everything that is the most important. And a copper sink. I have always wanted a copper sink.
I know you also love brick.
I love the combination of the wood and the brick.
I love the hood. I think it's so cool.
Isn't that
that
good?
brick.
It has so much character.
Yes.
This is gorgeous.